Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to download the Bank of India's official app, Vim BOI UPI. This app puts your bank right in your pocket, letting you check balances, transfer funds, and even find ATMs on the go. So let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, type in VHIM BOI UPI. Now look for the official Vim BOI UPI app by Bank of India official and then simply click on install. Remember, when it comes to banking apps, security is the key. Here are some quick reminders. Always download the app directly from the official stores, that is Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iPhones. Avoid downloading banking apps from third-party websites or unknown sources, and be super cautious of phishing scams. Banks will never ask for your personal information or login details through your emails or text messages. And there you have it. Now you have the control of your bank account at your fingertips. Manage your finances with ease all from your phone. If you have any questions about the app, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.